So, headboards. Everyone wants a quick DIY project that's fun, that you can do inside your home.
That's easy.
It's easy. So here we have some reclaimed wood. Now, when we were shopping, you can either go buy reclaimed wood or you can go to the hardware store and get 1x6. It's up to you guys. You can stain it, paint it, anything you want. First things first, you want to make sure that you have plywood. The plywood is going to go behind the wood, because you don't want to have to, when you're nailing these in, you don't have to find studs. How hard would that be? Yeah. Especially since we're making a herringbone pattern, it would be impossible and really difficult. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna set up your herringbone pattern, make it nice. What I like to do is when I'm setting up my herringbone, I like to make sure and number them and lay it out first. So I'll mark it down, lay it out, see how it looks on the floor, and then I'll put it up on the wall. Then once you're satisfied and everything's good, then you can nail away and you have your plywood behind.
And you painted the plywood
black.
Black, so that if there's any gaps.
We all know this, guys. Wood expands and contracts. It depends on your home. If you have a lot of humidity, it's going to move. So if you don't have the black paint, you're gonna see that plywood behind.
Not to mention, reclaim has a lot of knots and nail holes, right? So that's gonna show through as well.
You wanna base it. It looks amazing.
But I think the best part about the plywood is that it becomes a picture frame. This is hung on the wall. This is not attached to the bed.
Great.
So you think you have a new bed frame, it allows you to keep everything separate.
Yeah, and it doesn't take up any space.